In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I check my UPC from Distrokid without subscription. If your Distrokid subscription has expired, some parts of the dashboard may be locked, which can make finding your UPC tricky. The good news is there are still reliable ways to locate it using information you already have and a couple of external sources. First, let's quickly clarify what you're looking for. A UPC is a 12-13-digit code assigned to a release, like an album or single. It's different from an ISRC, which is assigned to each individual track. Knowing that helps you scan the right places and avoid mixing them up. Start with your email inbox. Distrokid typically sends a release confirmation email when your music goes live, and that message often includes both the UPC for the release and the ISRCs for each track. Search for terms like UPC, ISRC, your release title, or the distributor's name, and don't forget to check your spam or archived folders. If you manage multiple artist projects, search across all addresses you might have used. Once you find the right email, copy the UPC and save it somewhere secure so you don't have to repeat this hunt. Next, check your release pages on streaming platforms, specifically through the artist portals. On Spotify for artists, open the release and look under the release details. The UPC may be listed there. On Apple Music for artists, release metadata sometimes displays the UPC as well. Availability can vary, but it's worth a careful look through the release information and any metadata sections. If you don't see it there, use Spotify's URI and a metadata lookup. Open your album in the Spotify desktop app, click the three dots next to the release, choose Share, and select Copy Spotify URI. With that URI in hand, use a reputable third-party metadata lookup tool to view the release details. Many of these tools can surface the UPC associated with that album or single. Make sure you're using the desktop app, not the web player, so you can copy the proper URI. Finally, reach out to Distrokid support. Even without an active subscription, they may be able to provide your UPC if you can verify you own the release. Include information that proves ownership, like your artist name, release title, links to the release on major platforms, and any order or release IDs you still have from old messages. Keep the request clear and focused for the fastest response. Once you locate the UPC, double-check its 12 to 13 digits and tag it to the release in your records. Store it with your ISRCs so everything is easy to find the next time you need it.